Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Asus ROG Phone 6D Ultimate. And to do this you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Here on the top find Microsoft Edge. You should see the install button, click on it. When the installation process is complete, click on the open. We can sign in to turn on synchronization or also skip it by clicking on sign in later. Accept or disagree with a data sharing preference and click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And here we can open any website. As you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.